This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. It all started with a conversation while raking leaves. Instead of being tied to one place, we decided to leave everything behind and begin a life of adventure. Our daughters were out of high school and it was time to move on. We bought a sailboat, which was an Amel Mango, and spent time getting it ready for our adventures. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
See, you can always find places to water ski. Go meet somebody and, hey, take me skiing.
Alright, we're watching our sunset. And on the boat in Onset, Mass.
Sharon, second time on the boat. First time was looking at it initially. And then I've been down a bunch of times. But this is Sharon's first time, and Melanie's never seen the boat before.
Now she's like saying, oh, it's so full of junk.
Yeah, well,
She's claustrophobic because all the junk. When I first saw the boat, it was clean. There was nothing here. Not all this stuff. And there were some cushions here that go in the cockpit. We took some of them off and put them in there. And look at what was under this. When we saw this boat, none of this stuff was here. It's just loaded with junk. And I have no idea what we're going to do with it all. So it just surprised me that my husband had said, Dave said that it was messy, and I thought he meant it was just messy from the stuff he brought. He didn't tell me it was messy from whatever the previous owner. He must have had all this in his house, and when he sold it, he put it all in here. Now we have to go through all this crap.
I need that yellow flashlight.
So.
This morning I'm out here enjoying some coffee. Last night I didn't sleep whatsoever. We had an old 24 foot sailboat that had a lot of ants and spiders, and I woke up in the middle of the night thinking I had ants and spiders all over me. So I kind of stayed up feeling all itchy. Tried to sleep this morning, but it's not easy sleeping on a sailboat with all the noise going around. So yeah, coffee number one. Probably have way more than that. So what are we doing today?
What are we doing today? Well, we took all these old batteries out, which you can see right here. Weigh about 100 pounds a piece. And we put some brand new acid batteries in for now. That took almost all morning. We're going to go take and take the boat ashore to get some gas, diesel, and take these batteries off, put them in the car.
There were 6 batteries?
Yep, 6. Put a safety, I'm going to put a harness on and go up the mast to do the nav light.
What are you doing?
I am going through all kinds of stuff that's in here. The stuff was loaded. This was empty when we saw it, and now it's like after we bought it, he must have had everything stored at his house and brought it in here and shoved it here. What do we do with it all? I don't know. So at least I'm trying to clear out a room so Melanie can sleep in one side for tonight. And a lot of this is, I'm finding all kinds of things like screens for the hatches, which we'll probably need, and pillows and blankets and stuff we won't need.
That's a butter.
Do we need them?
Oh, and those are butter knives for lobster.
Do we need all this? I don't know what you're talking about. Front of the bathroom. No, I don't see switches by the bathroom anywhere.
Go to the bathroom and then face to the back of the boat. See them on the ceiling. They're not in the bathroom. They're just in the walkway area.
Oh. They're all on. So I turned all these on and then I turned them all off. Here we are sailing for the first time on Huntress. I was used to sailing with a tiller on our previous sailboat. Turning with the wheel is the opposite of a tiller. When you want to go to starboard, you push the tiller to the port. And when you want to go to port, you push the tiller to starboard. With a wheel, it's just like driving a car. Turn it in the direction you want to go, and that's it. It's so much easier.